Europe is on fire, literally. From Spain to Portugal to Algeria, flames are swallowing entire landscapes, and the world is watching in shock. In Spain, record-breaking heat waves have turned forests into tinderboxes, sparking wildfires that spread faster than firefighters can contain. Portugal faces the same nightmare, with villages being evacuated as walls of fire close in. And just across the Mediterranean, Algeria is battling catastrophic blazes. Dozens of people have already lost their lives. Experts say climate change is intensifying this crisis. Rising temperatures, long droughts, and strong winds are creating the perfect storm for uncontrollable wildfires. Satellite images show massive smoke plumes covering Europe and North Africa, a chilling reminder of how fragile our planet has become. This isn't just Europe's problem. As fires rage, they release millions of tons of carbon dioxide, worsening the climate crisis for everyone. Do you think world leaders are doing enough to stop climate disasters like this? Comment your thoughts below.